Hello friends, so today we are going to unboxing this Dell keyboard. It's a KB216 keyboard. You can search on Amazon, you can get it easily. So it's a basically multimedia keyboard in which we get buttons for play, pause and forwarding, backwarding like this. It also have 3-year warranty. Here you can see the address of importer and for complaints everything, and here all the specification like from where it's made and this all kind of information. So we are going to open it. So we are opening it from here, and inside this we have another box in which we have some information like barcode number and extra. So we are opening it from here, and inside this we have our keyboard. So basically this is the keyboard. Here we get all the function keys with the multimedia support. Here you can see the play, pause, forwarding, these buttons, and here we can increase and decrease the volume. Also here the indicator for the caps lock, num lock, etc. And here is the Dell logo. We have num lock. So and this is the wire. You can see it's a very good wire, so you can easily induct in your laptop or computer. And here you get another thing like this is help in putting your keyboard, so you can easily access it like in both sides. So that's make a little bit comfort for typing. So that's all for this video friends. Meet you soon. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like our video, subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon so you get the other videos also.